Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a moving background in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application. And first of all, we need to go to the effect menu. And after you have opened the effect menu, you can go to the body effect and you will find an effect called hallucination effect. And from this effect, we can create moving background for our video. I'm gonna go to the hallucination effect. Okay, and then you can choose this one, distorted world. Okay, and make sure you have good internet connection to download this effect. And okay, I'm going to apply it to my video. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a moving background using Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!